Hi and welcome back to my channel, and I'm glad to see you again for yet another trip to another country. This time we're going to Belgium and we're going to do, I think, probably the easiest recipe that I have in this whole World Food Challenge. We're going to make moule et frites, or mosselen en frites, which is basically mussels and chips or French fries as you may have it. It's incredibly easy. All you have to do is clean your mussels by throwing them into water, removing all the broken ones, the open ones, and by removing the grass, algae that is attached to them. Put them into a pot, lid on top, and bring them to a boil. Shake them, and once they're open, you're done. And you probably all know how to make French fries. It's written on the package. I have the ones for the oven. I'm going to try them in my brand new air fryer. So see you again once all this amazing stuff is done. And here we have our finished dish, our mussels and our chips, French fries. And since you requested it, I'm going to taste it so that you can see that it's actually delicious. So I eat it usually as a savage with my hands. I know people who use one of the shells to scoop out the mussel, but I'm not doing that. No matter what you say, the best way to eat mussels is plain. No matter what you say, the best way to eat mussels is plain. Just like this, you throw them into the pot, you don't add any other ingredients, and they're just amazing. And I wonder what the French fry will taste like. Like a French fry. So this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like fish, so I hope you make it yourself at home. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos, subscribe to my channel, and I guess I'll see you next week with another video. Bye!